Hi again, it's Debbie at Fairy Art School. I wanted to share with you a few more chairs that I've made in the past, and if you're interested in learning how to make these, you can let us know by sending us a message, but we also will be adding them soon to our classes at Fairy Art School. So I'll start with this chair. This is one of my most favorite chairs. I don't think I could ever part with it. It's got a mixture of materials. It has branches for the framework, and then I found this really adorable little picture of a girl kind of sitting, maybe daydreaming or thinking, and so I cut that out and added it to the back on top of overlapping a piece of scrapbook paper with flowers. And then I've added some glittered pieces and other little decorative buttons and crystal-like pieces. And so there's a lot of little decorative embellishments that I've added. And this piece, I added it to a base that I covered with fabric, and because the framework of the chair was kind of fragile, so I thought it would help to add it to a base. So this one, I think, really is just one of my favorite pieces. It also has a velvet seat cushion and more of the beautiful frayed antique silk fabric that I love to use. So, but adding pictures to your pieces can really make them very different and make them more personal, especially if it's a picture of a person. So, and this other chair is also one that I don't think I can ever part with. It's very special. The card in the back, it's a prayer card. It's if you look really closely, you can see in the corner there by the twigs, it says 1897, so it's very old. And so I called this the priest's chair, or I can't remember now, but I thought it was really unusual. I've added some leaves to the back and pods and little wire, curled wire and moss. And then the seat has this wonderful velvet with sequined and beaded embellishments on it. And so I've added more of the leaves on the sides. And this is seaweed I've used for the arms. And the back, tells about this man who was a saint. So I thought that was interesting to have on the back. And it's nice sometimes to make every part of your piece beautiful. So if someone does turn it around, it'll look nice. So also I've even added some little coiled wire right there. So you can just, have fun looking for materials to use on your pieces and make them as beautiful as you'd like. And also the painting in the back is one that I did also. It's a collage painting. So, and when you, if you film your pieces to share with other people, you can put something really nice in the background to make it more interesting. So those are 2 other pieces, and we'll share more with you soon. Thanks so much, and we hope you'll visit Fairy Art School at fairyartschool.com. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.